Welcome back to the playlist for addressing. This time we are talking about blueprints, what they are, how you can program it and how you can use it. So let's start with this simple example I've prepared for you. You see two positions here, one front, and in this front position there are only mines, comets and cakes. And you have a shell position here, and there are only two types of shells, red ones and green ones. And now you have the following problem, or you want to work in the shell with in the script in the following way. You want to have front that there's a module for cakes, that there's a module for mines, and that there is a module for comets. So you want to use the constraints in this way. And on the shell side, you want to have the green shells with the part number on a module and the red shells with a special part number on a module. And you want also have this constraint here, and you want to have two different orders for front. Maybe here's sort order size and here is event time. How to achieve it? First thing, of course, is addressing address show, but you see you can only have one order alignment and one constraint, so this won't fit. The next could be that you use a front, mark all positions on the front, and then you say, okay, you do the addressing with the fill down approach. Yeah, you can have this order here, and you can now change the setting. This will work, of course, but and of course it will work fast in this small show, but remember you have a bigger show, then this would be a lot of money, of time, and time is money, and so this is not a good solution for bigger shows, even if you change something after you have addressed it. So let's look what else we found in the addressing section here. There is an addressing blueprint, so just try to create it, give it a name, and we like to create the blueprint for the front, so we call it front here. Then we can set our max image per pin. We can set it different, but it's okay here. We want to have it, as you mentioned, caliber size and then event time. Event time, where is it? Position, event time, here. And now we can say, okay, we want to have position and then type here. Okay. The next thing that we do after we create this blueprint, we go to the position, open it, open the position properties, and then we have the addressing blueprint, and then we can set it here to front. Okay. And let's try this one with mother for the shells. We call it shell. Yeah. This time the sort order is correct here, and we want to have it for part number. This time part number, press OK. And again, we edit the properties of the position, and now we say OK, shell. We still haven't addressed it. To address it with the blueprints, we go to addressing again, and then address show using blueprints assigned to positions. This is normal dialog. We find 5 modules, not 2. And now let's have a look at our firing script here. We enter the type and just look at the front. We have now as type the cakes. It has its own rail. We had the comets with their own rail, and we had the mines with their own rail. So this works fantastic here. Let's check the shells. We expect that the green chrysanthemums have an own module, and the red ones have an own module. So this is very nice. We can have different rules for addressing assigned to positions with the blueprints that is available in the Pro version.